Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, your financial companion, and today we're diving into the exciting world of investing for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to start investing or want to build wealth over time, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the basics and get you on the path to financial growth. Investing is all about making your money work for you. It's a journey that involves putting your money into various financial instruments with the goal of generating a return. Don't worry if it sounds complex right now. We'll break it down step by step. The first step in investing is setting clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it for retirement, buying a home, or simply building wealth over time? Knowing your goals will guide your investment strategy and help you stay focused. Before you start investing, it's crucial to have an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, covering unexpected expenses and preventing you from tapping into your investments during emergencies. A solid foundation is essential for a successful investment journey. Tip number 1. Diversification. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps manage risk and increases the potential for returns. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your key to a resilient portfolio. For beginners, a great way to start is with low-cost, broad market index funds. These funds track the overall market, providing exposure to a variety of stocks and minimizing the risk associated with individual stock picking. Index funds are a beginner-friendly entry point into the world of investing. Tip number 2. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be consistent with your investments and maintain a long-term perspective. The power of compounding works best over time. Patience is key when it comes to watching your investments grow. Tip number 3. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the basics of investing, market trends, and different investment vehicles. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Knowledge is a powerful tool in the world of investing. And there you have it. A beginner's guide to investing. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and your journey to financial success begins with that first step. If you want to know more about saving money on a tight budget, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video on strategies for paying off debt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Are you an investing beginner? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time and happy investing!